Can I replace an HVAC capacitor myself? Yes, but only if you fully shut off power, know how to safely discharge the capacitor, and are comfortable matching the exact part. A capacitor is a small part that gives your air conditioner or furnace fan the extra push it needs to start running. It can hold an electric charge even after the unit is turned off, which is why it can shock you if you touch it the wrong way. That is the part many people do not realize, because the danger is not just when the system is on. If the old capacitor is swollen, leaking, or looks burnt, that is a strong clue it has failed. You need to match the new one by microfarads in voltage, and those numbers have to be close enough to be safe and correct. The easiest way to check is to read the label on the old part and copy it exactly. Before removing anything, take a clear photo of the wires so you can put them back in the same places. A helpful trick is to label each wire with tape before you disconnect it, because even one wrong connection can stop the unit or damage the motor. One less known detail is that some systems use a dual capacitor, which helps two parts at once, so the replacement must match that style too. A common mistake is forgetting that the power can still be dangerous after the breaker is off, so always turn off the disconnect and verify the unit is dead before touching anything. Another mistake is using a capacitor that is close but not exact, because the wrong value can make the motor struggle or fail early, so always match the printed numbers carefully. People also mix up the wire locations, and that can cause strange problems or no cooling at all, so take a photo and move one wire at a time. If the capacitor keeps failing, the real problem may be a bad fan motor, dirty condenser coils, or low voltage, so do not keep replacing the same part without checking deeper causes. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.